how to download TBH Taskbar Hero on your computer or laptop. So this is quite simple and easy. First head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in option you will see on the top. And you just need to create the Steam account. Scroll down, you will see the option to create account on Steam. Just go ahead and create account on Steam. After that, click on install Steam option you will see on the top and download and install the Steam on your PC. And after you install the Steam, just open it up and click on the top search box and just type TBH Taskbar Hero. You will find this game on the top, so just open it up. Now here on this page, just scroll down and click on option of add to library. Then just click on the option of OK, then go to your library of Steam and just find this game and just click on it and click on install. And that's how you can download and install this game. If this video helps you out, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.